Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Zeez Tariq and I welcome you all to the most prestigious institute of Lahore, Divisional Public School and Inter College. This is lecture number 1 of Computer Science, class 10th. Before heading towards the textbook, let me tell you the theory paper pattern of Punjab Board. There are two parts of the paper, objective and subjective. The timings for objective paper are 15 minutes and for the subjective paper 1 hour 45 minutes. So the total time is 2 hours. The objective paper is of 10 marks and the subjective paper is of 40 marks. So the total marks of computer science paper are 50. Objective paper comprises of only one question, multiple choice questions. 10 MCQs will be given of 1 mark each, so the total marks are 10. The subjective paper has two sections. Section number 1 is of short questions. Question number 2, 3 and 4 are similar. These have 6 questions in total and you have to attempt 4 out of each. Each short question carries 2 marks. Total marks of this section are 24. Section number 2 is of detailed questions. You have to attempt 2 questions out of 3. Question number 5, 6 and 7. These may or may not have parts. Each long question carries 8 marks. So the total marks of this section are 16. Let's have a look of your textbook. It has total 7 units. Unit number 1 is problem solving. Second one is data types, assignment and input-output statements. Third one is control structures. Fourth is arrays. Fifth is subprogram and file handling. Sixth is graphics. And seventh one is Microsoft Word. The first 6 units are all about programming and the 7th one is a word processor. Let's begin unit number 1, problem solving. Topics that we will do today are from page number 1 of your textbook, Introduction and Problem Solving Method. Every day we face many problems. The word problem comes from a Greek word meaning an obstacle, something that is in your way. It's a situation that prevents something from being achieved. So, what is a solution? Someone who has a problem must find a way of solving it. The means of solving a problem is called a solution. Remember one thing, a single problem has multiple solutions. You have to be wise enough to choose the best one among these. There are some important terms to remember. Program or software is a set of instructions given to the computer to solve a particular task. Programming is a process to develop computer softwares, and the programmers are the person who develop software or programs. Problem solving is a skill which can be developed by following a well-organized approach. Remember one thing, if you are a good problem solver, then you have the potential to become a good programmer. Different subject areas use different techniques to solve a problem. For example, businessmen will use related system approach, engineers will use their engineering methods, scientists will use scientific methods, and we, the programmers, will use software development method. Software development method has total 9 steps. You have to remember all these steps in sequence. Problem identification, specify requirements, analyze the problem, design algorithm and draw flowchart, write the program, in other words coding, test and debug the program, implement the program, maintain and update the program, document the program. For the time being, you have to remember these by their names in sequence. Let's have a quick review of the topics we have just learned: problem, solution, program, programming, programmers, problem solving approach, and the steps of software development method. The short questions from these topics which we have just learned are: what is a problem? What is meant by solution? Define problem solving, an important question. How many solutions a problem may have? Define program, programming, and programmers. Which method is adopted by computer programmers to solve a problem? List down the steps of software development method. Question number 3 and 7 having stars in the end are very important questions. You will find the answers from this video. Your questions and queries are always welcome. Feel free to contact me. Keep connected with DPS Media for more informative videos. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.